Etino chino ana Ghana Blasters any England any ko see akan in the World Cup, group stage play no. Your ball, your second match, any England. Now, it was a honor with that game, no. Nanka Ghana enya penalty be. But say referee nanye. That instance, Ghana Blasters coach, Carlos Wabeka afa home. Now, there was something there happening between Jude Bellingham and the Ghana coaches, Jude Aberdeen come on that face, England coach, so Ababekasa concerning some altercation via a course on the field. Anyhow, we see who game na. Me want to remove natural wadwen e dey amame. E wo comment section. I hype PENYAH work media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like if you don't have subscribe buttons and by click notification icon of latest update and by channel wadwen dey amame. E wo comment section. Oba so not your first enya bia hwe. Me kan phone nala money send app e dey amame. O USA, o UK, o send sky e dey fie. Na for say o ya me fan ntino. Using promo code PENYAH TV ever send sky e dey fie. No ba chew a cool $20 as a reward. O send this sky e fie no. Na ye chew bi ka ho. O send no. Na ye chew bi e na lanko a o san na la ho a wa boka egu wa boka to egu twe app network phones one can register never send this guy the choose guy free. Let's go to the story. Ebusia, it was Tuesday 23rd June 2026 and Ghana and England a ball your second game in the 2026 FIFA World Cup tournament at the group stage 11. Ghana a ball a second match. Now before say go ball you ever started your game no crown Zlatan Ibrahimovic now no wa be your coach ebe din komo efa World Cup no group stages no lamp na eba no or choose the favorite group e maga say a group L no group L na Ghana ni England ni Croatia ni Panama ewom no no cast any favorite group now when any someone or kafa ho.
Zlatan, give us a group that you like.
I would like to choose group L. We have England. Is it coming home? Let's see. We have Croatia. I have some roots from Croatia also, so I'm supporting them in this tournament. And then we have Ghana. Big talents. Let's see what they bring. We have Panama. Unfortunately, in this group, I think there will be a punching bag where England, Croatia will fight for the first spot. And Ghana might disturb them and take some points. But I don't see Panama. I know Thierry said about Haiti, but I think he's being nice now.
No, just surprised.
Or he has some friends in the national team and he wants to.
So
he's being nice.
You have no friends in Panama then? So you say no points? What about a goal?
I don't want to be like disrespect, but this is difficult. This is three confirmed nations.
Well, as Emoka said, Ghana will beat Panama. Ni England, any Croatia, they no best struggle, and we will get some points from them. We will get some points from them. And lo and behold, yene Panama ekobo, ni share Panama. Na say Panama there, ya tafiri wo mo de mu minimum say omu ko fia because Croatia so as omu 2 as 1-0 to Panama there automatically omu de mu ofie. Omu ofie omu twa ya ka omu ni England. They don't automatically omu lose, omu flie tournament omu flie omu ofie. Na say ensem na Ibrahimovic akan na say somehow e betimi agina 23rd June Tuesday twamye ana Ghana ye England eligo see ni e Boston Sports Stadium in Roxborough, US Massachusetts. Ana Ghana any England match no. Ye kobo ye. Emma before they kobo that game no kra no. Na ma for kase Thomas Partey and here England players no omo enchia no. Emma later there was a statement that if England coach say buy omo kire say omo bet chia Thomas Partey and a whole lot of issue. But ye go through park na ye chia no. Obia chia obia fine. But a drew Partey chia obia but a drew one England player feno Spence on way Kenya ni akọ naturalize ama England for no. Edru so no na anchia Thomas Partey. Wan chia Partey ama no kra no. Amanfo ko ni diam e ko kika bi kire.
What Spence? Any chance no ati. Amwo kura ni beti so. O nyame ya adom na wo bibini se onya England bi akọbọ a. Ya chia Thomas Partey a wo twonsa. Asia ade show about you say coincidentally if Jimmy Bra Ghana for so dey be kun ato akuno Jimmy no money now patena wan chance an kwachi no asia wo ye wan hurricane mu nyina na di can rise mu bele mu nyina chia omukro mbo na wa oboto tem apoate enye bibi na bibi patena aye
suspense o se wan wa ma meka simcho wo su no wa wi ana na e ball bulu wosu anyway wi ana na ebo no wo Partey be chia wa wo wanchia Partey won England ni oye black da won England ni oye black da fucking man Oh, waponten say gearbox. Oh, next time Jimmy say Jimmy ni bi. Oh, Partey be chia wa oh te say oh one chia ni bi. And I say oh sia Jimmy.
Spence, you see the video where I send you, no? I've sent you a video. Make you play the video and see what you did yesterday. I'm powerful. Our class and Thomas Partey. Our class and Asem na aba inti Asem na aba. And a case so the team the case too. Yeah, and there was football. Munti normal. And yenim guasiema will be a quasia. I can see 4 kwampo chia ni nsem. I can see 4 kwampo no mo chia ni nsem. Who nimbo boss na King. Who nimbo boy. You don't even know how to play football self. Carry on a doom, they come joke plus Ghanaians, Abi. They come joke plus Ghanaians. Muffin, and bois, who se can poke on the times. Last time can. Yeah, now the one chair Thomas Partey no found.
I'm on for Spence, Eddie about TikTok. Echo kick a bit as a cratty, who moved there. And your tip any particular boss, Semuntia, and your border, you football agent, I can put no tip and a two bad night cry and no your pay. Excellent. What I say? Excellent. Ever see a game no? Esther in fact, born there. Both teams ni nyina no obia born home den. Ghana and England obia e born from there. Emma first half ekwawie. Na ye blow whistle for first half na ye before so me call restroom no. Any who no say Jude Bellingham approaching Ghana coaches no. Na say wakwaka ensem bi akire omu Emma coaches no ebu free. Emma there was a serious confrontation. I said, Coach Carlos, no heaty part towards Jude Bellingham. And my uncle Patrick Canadian Etreno. A no call restroom no. And no move sa England coach ni say, then no player. Spence, one chat Thomas Partey. A honor no way anything about Chiremus on there. We shouldn't talk about that. Yen any say kind of know for some reasons we should not talk about it.
Before the kick-off, there was the handshake that we've obviously written a lot about this week. It looked like Jed Spence, well, it more than looked like Jed Spence didn't shake Thomas Partey's hand. I just wondered, as his coach, what your thoughts are.
Sorry, Mike, for legal reasons, we aren't going to be discussing that today. So we have to move on from that, Ed. Thanks.
Speaking to you.
There's going to be a lot. Oh, yeah, sorry, it's back. There's going to be a bit of a reaction, I think, from some.
Nese, either say Omuya aware and then or snabble that conversation or brushing off not on pese ye become wasem. I'm the second game no that second half equal share so. Am I ye ball na but at the 78th minute and the BBAC Naka Ghana nya clear go because Abdul Fattah or counter AC 18 yard hodomo Adima one of our strikers Prince Edu Mebla Penyina Prince or Mebla Penyina do Prince Edu or counter Edman to counter Edman na Prince ene Antoine Semenyomo ene imo nyina nipa bet no wing nim honomo omo epushi kona unia man na say obebona ana one England defender that is Ezri Konsa Edin and I blockade Ghana striker no Prince Edu no blocking the sile
around him. I think it was a really poor touch. Konsa did well and really
Emma Prince top form e ten ko bia nimu se penalty na ko bia nim say that game no ye beje penalty but referee anye penalty Emma ball no ewie na ball no wie ye no ana ye omo call restroom because before we call restroom kra no Ghana coach no ya there because on say ye ball be ewie about that time say tire say a draw game referee coaches no almost all ya no call restroom but where the Ghana coach no despite the fact say ball draw no or solely ya no or call be Ghana supporters ni wo eno omo ko cheer up Just say coach no will prove actually say you no betimi aye. Only Ghana supporters no ko cheer up and send all down ho about restroom. I'm about restroom no. Omo ye BBC for eye omo interview. Na omo busa England for coach Mr. Game no say elosi ho no. And England coach no e told us say although they believe say tournament na ye ball no. Although the team England no is in the hardest group.
Game. Thank you.
Don't know yet, to be honest. Think about the next game from tomorrow. It is what it is. We tried to break the deep block down from Ghana. I think full respect, and they defended with a lot of determination, with a lot of discipline, and with one of the most physical performances that I saw from a team defending. I still think that we play in one of the most difficult groups in this World Cup. We had a very difficult first match, and we had a very difficult second match. Very different from the first match. So it is what it is. We will analyze it and recover now, and then prepare for the next one. Not see any red card for us today. I mean, in general, the game was interrupted all the time. I mean. It was difficult to get a rhythm out of this. It was just the way it was. No one got under our skin. I think that's normal. That was an exchange of emotions, and of course, Jude stood up for himself and for us as a team. There's no problem in it. We were very calm in half time. We knew that emotions are part also of our game, but we don't want to get distracted and involved with stuff that doesn't help us. That was clear. So we were calm at halftime. We encouraged everyone to keep the rhythm up and to keep knocking and trying to break down that wall. Like I said, we committed a bit more players than on the side. Started to cross a bit earlier and a bit more aggressive. So at the same time, you just cannot fall asleep for 1 second, because all the physicality that we saw today in defending is also there in the counterattacks. We allowed only 2 counterattacks, and they were so dangerous. So that is the story of the game.
Meeting Panama, Croatia, Ghana, Blasters. Let's say, group stages na ya lani apni nyina wa tournament ni mu a. No group no group no. The hardest, in fact, the toughest group. Just Ghana players na antwe am o anya ne better. Na no any ebusa Ghana Blasters coach na Carlos also questions about games na your boy with England. How was he no any penalty na referee no anyi no ensemble na all kind of say way any someone Ghana coach no Carlos okay.
Everything is open. Croatia, Panama, they have a wonderful team. And we don't know what will happen. And the thing that I know, that's why the celebrations, I told you this and I don't hide this. First of all, the point win, to collect points in this World Cup is, you have to pay a high price. The points are very expensive, probably because we are in the United States, everything is expensive. But the wins and points are terrible expensive. When you get 3 points and 1 point, you have to celebrate, because it was a lot of runs, a lot of sacrifices, a lot of commitment, a lot of work, a lot of suffering, a lot of emotion during the game. So you have to celebrate. That's why we fight during 90 minutes. And again, one team that have a background of Premiership, all the players, they have wonderful and fantastic experience in that game. They're ready to compete during all games. So to go and last 90 minutes with full concentration and fight for every single ball, you have to celebrate, you have to praise the players and congratulate them for that. On top of that, we never sit without trying to score. We never sit back without losing the main goal that we have in our mind. Try to surprise the English team in the weak points that they have, or not weak points, but at least the weaknesses that we could explore. and we have our chances till the point that they're lucky. They're very lucky. Once again, VAR went for a coffee, and it's natural. I would like them also to take my coffees once in a while. But it was a clear penalty. Clear penalty, red card. You have any doubts about that? You guys that you saw the game have any doubts about that? Or is only me that I was in the game? So at the end of the day, that's why I say it was a fair result. It was a fair result. They play more time with the ball. We fight more, we fight better, we create our chances, they have them chances at the end. I think they are happy, and I am happy also with the draw. And for coming, that was a tough game, no doubt. Very competitive, intense. Two different moments in the game, two different styles. The first 45 minutes was England playing. They expressed them football. We put in place our strategic plan. It was to block them and frustrate them since the first minute until the end of the first half, which we did it. When we finished the first half, I found and I realized that the English team was completely frustrated with no solutions. The usual solutions that they use to capitalize wins, we block them. We succeed in all fronts, either in the set pieces, the diagonal long crosses, penetration in the wings, build-ups with penetration movements. We did it with our players. They did with full concentration, determination. And this showed that football game is not only about tactics and techniques, it's about bravery, courage, determination, intelligence. And the first half was about that. They've been better than us in terms of football. We've been better than them in terms of fighting spirit and determination. Second half was a different story. We have the game, we start to control the game better and better. Because the frustration keep going, no solutions for them, and we create our opportunities. They also have a couple of opportunities open. We have our opportunities, including, by the way, I think it is the right opportunity, because I'm not sure VAR still working in the World Cup. We still have VAR. Is working. I have some doubts about that, because another penalty that they need give to Ghana, clear penalty against England, and with our opportunity in the second half, I think at the end different profiles, but we deserve the draw. The draw was the fair result for both teams. So now 4 points, we have to keep going, looking for our qualification to the second round. That's what I...
Now, maybe we have the PENYAH. I didn't know referee Anye born as a penalty. Media men, I say a player now fought Prince Aduna any mistake. Because here, born there, it was a clear penalty. Because always zoom, slow motion now. Or man and answer all bona, Anna, as the concert, Eden and I, blocking the silly, and a player top form. Or top form, no. Never said, God, that for moon, whole son and night. Oh, that form would a team, Charlie, that form, no, for now, for some perform team, we said, yeah, Tia, no. Nanka young blow, we see money penalty. But when you're top form now, or sa struggle, yeah, Eden and I, elbow, ball, no say, or bash it, and a ball, ball, Antoine Semenyo, and a goal kick. I say, I didn't see an Emma referring who say, and yet the man Ghana player no Prince Edu a top form no say not only match stamina or core body balance with every concern no not only stamina only grounding and a man the top form. But I say core body balance no only stamina and a man the top form. They just say player and can go player can and got top and constant struggle for the night and cover body so bash it no. And to me, no, I'm a referee, no, I'm penalty, because a player now for that's a tough form. A listen to struggle cover ball, and then could die. Never free blow, we see more that form room in the home. Her penalty, a Gemma, Portugal, Ronaldo, not then can get penalty. But your hooker Ronaldo got clever or that form son and I said they want me nanti, and so penalty on one of boy. A tactics. No, I think I Ghana player, no. I think moving forward, no, we may see these tricks and tactics a homo so that we do 18 with the eye. Yeah, out of form. Clear, ni any penalty near one share. What I say, but Ghana to me ko konte. Emma, Ghana coach say VAR no. In fact, VAR actually went for a coffee. But uhemu Nenka it was a clear penalty. England coach say he's in the toughest group. What is your take on this? Now Ghana no yane Croatia abebo next match. Ewo Philadelphia, USA Montana so. Eduro de besi bia na ma bedwam area akere. Until then, aha yepenya break media. Agra.